Okay, very simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out this chuck, and in its place I'm going to put this collet. The reason you do that is because the collet is much more accurate than the chuck is. Tools to be used are very simple. You have a hammer, you have a little dinghy to keep the spindle from turning, and you have a wrench. This chuck is held on by a long screw called a drawbar. Here's the top of the screw. Bottom screws of the screw is way down here. In order to get it out, you simply put this into the little hole to keep it from turning, put a wrench on the flats, and unscrew with the normal direction. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. A quick tap, and it breaks loose from the taper. Unscrew by hand, and it's out. Just that simple. Putting the new collet in, just a matter of putting it in the hole, tightening up the nut. Once the nut is tightened, you reverse the procedure, lock the spindle with a little doohickey, turn the wrench till it's tight. The rod in the collet is now very, very firmly in place, and the run out of the collet will be less than 1/1000 of an inch. That's all there is to it.